Horseback riding in Southern California. Saddle Up Wine Tours Aguanga, near Temecula, California. It is a non-profit operation where all proceeds go to the ranch. They opened in November of 2012 and have saved over 200 horses since opening. There are currently 30 horses at the ranch, and every time there are ride days, different horses are selected for people who come out to escape their daily lives. Good. The company is run by volunteers, and they are always looking for more people to help out around the ranch. They have more than just horses to tend to as well. Today was a beautiful, warm, sunny day. The trails we rode were up and through the hills close to the ranch. We had a good small group of people on this ride. The land is plagued by wildfires in the summer and mud in the winter. Our horses were equipped with satchels if we wanted them to hold personal belongings, which made the ride pleasant. All around, we looked at the scorched earth. Earlier in the year, the ground was covered in flowers for the spring. You got it, Roxy. You got it. Pay attention. There are places along the trail where the horses trot to get up and down the hills, making the ride more exciting. Being in the West and on horseback sets you back in time. It makes you wonder how people managed to get around on horses for thousands of years before modern transportation. The views were very beautiful all around through the countryside. The trail is dusty, so if you're not keen on getting dirty, this may not be for you. Be sure if it is hot to wear a large hat to keep the sun off and drink water before the ride. It's amazing. We enjoyed this day with the Saddle Up Wine Tours and look forward to another ride with them in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button below if you enjoyed the video.